Hello everyone. How are you everyone? All right. Uh, so here I would like to share what is in front of me, what is in the my table. So this is from the internal transmission. This is called this is assembly, transmission control module. This is the control module. This is the control valve body of the transmission. So this is the assembly valve body is depicted, and this faulty. This making jerks, and there's also shorted to ground. So, all right, I would like to share of this issue of this transmission bulb body and control module. So, this bulb body has many of the solenoids here, solenoids and sensors, uh, transmission temperature fluid, and this is the electronic control module controls the solenoids and monitor the transmission fluid temperatures and transmission speeds, and this is control this is also controlling the gears, shifting gears, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, or fifth gears. All right. I would like to share also how to maintain this this component inside the transmission. And this is a component will damage or will can be unoperate or faulty, can make faulty functioning these components. What's the reason? The reason is sometimes I have experienced and noticed the miles of the cars or runs the transmission. There is like the age is 60,000 miles or 60,000 kilometers. That miles and kilometer you should do to perform transmission fluid replacement to maintain the components, not sliding the linings, frictions, not high friction because of the dirts. So this assembly control valve body, it will damage also the fluids, the dirty fluids or many of metal particles or debris. Even the even external is the this valve body are lubricated or there is transmission fluid are spraying here external of this component that transmission fluid is bringing also the metal particles coming from the friction plate, the clutch spot, the clutch lining, and then this the metal particles can cause also the faulty functioning of the control electronic control solenoids for the shifting gears. If the control solenoid shift the shifting control solenoids, if not properly working, it will affect the not properly hold the linings, the friction plate and friction disc. It will can cause a jerking or delay, delay shifting, delay running, delay response of the transmission. To avoid that, you have to replace, you have to replace the fluids and the filter. This is also the control module, control module. This is also, it will damage also by the dirt of the metal particles. This TCM here, internal, that is the electronics here, can be shorted by the metal particles, very fine debris. Sometimes the vehicle, if you, sometimes the car, if if you want to start but doesn't click the starter or no response from the starter, the engine not cranking, sometimes because of the TCM. The TCMs means sometimes there is this is shorted already. This shorted already because of the dirt of the transmission fluid are spraying surround this component. To avoid that, you should do replacement the ATF. Because this assembly, we cannot recommend to step by step repair because very expensive the labor and cannot guarantee the how long it will runs the transmission. So you have to careful that if you are having the car has 5 years the car or 5 years or the miles of your car is already 60,000 miles above. So you should ask to perform. You should go to the dealership or trusted mechanic to perform the changing of the fluid because this is very sensitive components. If very dirty surrounds, even there is a transmission fluid filter to suck the fluid to maintain clean, but the outside of this bulb body or TCM will spray there the very dirty, the coming from the friction plate disc and metal particles. It will can be shorted or clog the holes, the operation. All right. So hopefully you understand my little bit sharing and explanation about this component. This is the bulb body. This is the transmission control modules. Operate. This is the brain to operate the fluid, to flow the fluid by controlling the solenoids. Alright, so thank you very much and thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel Auto Diagnostic and have a nice day. Thank you everyone. See you my next video. God bless.